In today's video, we are going to talk about the separation of variables. Okay, so ano ba itong separation of variables? Basically, the goal sa separation of variables, itong separation of variables na yan, ay lahat ng may variable na x, isama mo kay dx, lahat ng may variable na y, isama mo kay dy. In order for you to integrate the equation. Pero kapag trinay mo na lahat na mapagsama yung x kay dx, yung y kay dy, and then it turns out meron pa rin humihiwalay at hindi mo maisama sa kabila, that is not separable. Okay, so matatawag mo lang siyang separable, yung iyong equation, kapag lahat na ng x na isama mo kay dx, lahat na ng y na isama mo na kay dy. Okay, so let us move forward and take a look at some examples para mas maintindihan natin yung ating topic. Okay, we have here our example number 1. Our differential equation here is this y prime is equal to x squared over y squared. And y prime natin is also equal to our dy over dx. So para ma-arrange natin siya, ilipat natin siya sa form na iyan. And then the goal, remember, is that yung x isama mo kay dx, yung y isama mo kay dy. So with that, our dy over dx here equal to x squared over y squared. Okay, ililipat natin si dx sa kabila. So we will have dy is equal to x squared dx. And then si y naman, lipat din natin dun sa kabila. So we will have here y squared. So ngayon, pag titignan natin, pwede natin siyang integrate at ang tawag dyan ay separable siya. Kasi napag-separate natin at na-achieve natin na on the left side, we only have y variables for dy and then sa kabila x for dx. Tapos, let us perform integration. Okay, so ganun lang siya. So, ganyan kapag separable. Okay, so punta naman tayo sa next na example natin. Try naman natin hanapin ang general solution ng isang separable na DE. Okay, so we have here our differential equation. For xy, quantity dy over dx is equal to y squared minus 1. Okay, so paghiwalay natin. So, ito siya. Pag napaghiwalay na, itry natin gawin. We have our 4xy. Then, we have our dy over dx equal to y squared minus 1. Okay, so pag nilipat natin si dx sa kabila, sa right side natin, ito siya. We will have quantity y squared minus 1 dx. And then, ang may iwan ay 4 x, y, then we have here our dy. Okay, so pag titingnan natin, hindi pa sila okay. Kasi we have here y and then we have here dx. We have here y at may naiwan na x. So ang gagawin natin, aalisin natin yan. And in order for us to do that, okay, divide lang natin. Siyempre, alisin natin dito yung y squared minus 1. So, i-divide natin ito ng y squared minus 1. Kung anong ginawa sa kabila, yun din sa kabilang side. Okay. And then, dito sa left side natin, aalisin natin yung x. So, divide lang natin ng x. At ganun din sa kabila. Okay. Kung anong ginawa sa kaliwa, yun din ang gagawin sa kanan. And then, we will have this one, magka-cancel out. X natin, magka-cancel out. At anong maiwan? We will have 4 dy over y squared minus 1 is equal to dx over x. Okay, so the same tayo nang nakuha dito. Okay, very nice. So, separable yan. Now, hahanapin natin yung general solution. Okay, so para hanapin yun, integrate natin. Okay, pag in-integrate natin yung dx over x, we will have ln of x. And then, yung ating 4 dy over y squared minus 1 ay magiging 2 ln of y squared minus 1. So, paano nangyari yun? Solve natin siya. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, let's use u substitution. Okay, so we have our u. At usually sa u substitution, kung ano yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, tapos titingnan mo kung alin ba yung may mataas ang kanyang degree. Usually, yun yung ating u. Okay, so ang u natin dito is y squared minus 1. And then, our du will be 2y dy. Hanapin natin yung ating dy. So, we will have 2y here over 2y. So, cancelled out na yan. So, our du over 2y here is equal to our dy. Now, let us substitute our u and then our dy sa equation sa taas. Okay, so the integral of 4y over, what is our y squared minus 1? That is our u. And then our dy, this dy is this one, which is our du over 2y. So we have our du over 2y. Okay, and then cancelled out ang y. Yung 4 over 2, ang matitira ay 2. Now, lalabas natin yung 2. Labas lagi yung constant, no? Pag nag-i-integrate tayo. So, 2, tapos integral of du over u. Okay, alam natin yan. Du over u is ln of u plus c. What we'll have is 2 ln of u plus c. And then the value of our u is y squared minus 1. So we will have 2 ln of y squared minus 1 plus c. So, ayan yung solution kung paano natin nakuha ito at nag-arrive tayo dito. Okay, so that is our general solution. And now, let us simplify that one. Okay, from our properties ng ating ln or logarithmic properties natin, yung coefficient dito na 2 magiging exponent. And then yung ln of x natin, nilipat natin, kaya naging minus ln of x. Naiwan sa kabila ay silang. Ayan. Tapos, kapag naka-minus yan, so we will have quotient. Ayan. Kaya siya naging ganyan. And then we will apply exponential. Kaya ang maiiwan na lang ay ito. Yun yung nandito. Okay, so ilang beses na tayo nag-solve ng ganyan. So I guess familiar na kayo dyan. And then our e to the c, gawin nating c sub 1. So that is our general solution. And basically, itong nasa taas, tsaka ito, same lang. Okay? Nasa simpler form lang siya. So that is our general solution. So that is how we do separation of variables sa paghahanap ng general solution ng ating differential equation.